Hey everybody, welcome back to Javo's Garage. Today we are excited because I came across a vintage mini bike frame on Craigslist. Not sure what to expect with this thing, but the boys and I here, we thought this would be a fun project to take on here over this winter and the fall and maybe restore this thing. What do you guys think of that?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna go take a look at this thing and we're gonna check back with you. Hopefully we'll end up buying this thing today. Let's go. So it looks like we were able to make a deal on this bad boy. Due to its large size, we were concerned of weight problems, so we decided to take the big rig with us, load that thing up on the trailer. So now, me and the boys here, we're gonna take a few minutes, we're gonna get this thing off. Let's do an up close look, and hopefully we can get some input from you guys. We're not really sure what we think this thing is. We believe it to be a late 60s, early 70s Fox mini bike, but we're not sure on that. So leave a comment below, so tell us what you think it is. So let's get this thing off the trailer now. Alright, so we got that bad boy taken off the trailer and it's back here into the garage. So let's do a quick walk around. Hopefully you guys can give us some input as to what you think this thing is. Once again, we believe this to be a Fox either street scamp or what I believe they called a trail scamp. So let us know what you think on that. Let's get up closer here and do a walk around. This thing definitely needs some restoration. We knew that. This is going to be a fun project for us. But the frame seems to be in really good shape. Front tire, don't know if that's original. Definitely believe that to be an original front rim on it. Easy to tell the rear tire and rim is not the original. I'm not sure about the sprocket. But all in all, the main frame of the bike itself seems to be in really good shape. So we're going to have a lot of fun things to be able to work with on this thing. We're going to change out that motor. At this point, we're believing we're going to go ahead and put in a Predator 212 like we did there on Luke's go-kart over there. And that way this thing will scoot really good going down the road. We're going to take a look at those shocks and see what's involved in it. And we're also been talking about what kind of a paint theme we're going to do with it. Why don't you guys give us some feedback? But we're believing that we're going to go with a patriotic paint theme. And that is, we're going to go with a blue frame with red forks and white accents. So we have the red, white, and blue, and then we're going to mount a big American flag like we do on the back of the other two toys there. Why don't you guys provide us some input of what you think. So hey, do us a favor, hit that like button if you would please, and if you want to see some updates on this as we go through and start fixing this thing up and get it out on the road, hit that subscribe button so you can see every time we add a new video. Thanks for watching.